Hey guys, this is Cynthia Maynard. Thanks so much for joining me today. I wanted to do a quick flip through of a new folio that I used. I had gotten some Elizabeth Craft Designs dies from the Planner Essentials line, and as well as there's mixed with a bunch of other things. So I wanted to share that with you, as well as some papers that will be coming out in the near future using some of my acrylic painting and one-stroke method. And this paper on the top is one of those. So I kind of made this sort of a travel-y / travel with words theme. So this says here, this is stamped. It says Paris 1889. Let me get that in there. Paris 1889. And let's go ahead and open that up and see what is inside. So the first page is this fun striped paper, and I did some stamping on top of that, so hopefully that's clear. By the way, I bound this all with some like 3/4 of an inch jump rings. So let's put that out of the view here. Some jump rings that were easy to just kind of open up and then slip through and pop back. This is an Elizabeth Craft Design tag die, an older one from the Planner Essentials line, but this has some of my Travel with Words paper, and then some washi. I put down some Prima little journaling cards there. So these are books, old vintage books. And here there's my handwriting that I have filled with some of my other papers, and some journal-y type of writing. This is a Studio Light die, and I stamped an Elizabeth Craft Designs. It says for the record, who, where, when, and notes. So you can use that. And on the back is another journaling card with some washi. The tag that is out here with fun numbers. And then you can write on there. This also comes out. Some grid paper to write and journal on. This is some of my word paper there. And on top of my other artwork as well. Tuck that in there. You can always go visit my shop, the LM Emporium, and the links will be down below. Let me stick this back in here. Also give a like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Some nice old paper to journal on. I did some stamping with some old script. And then this is a file card that I added. The Elizabeth Craft Designs has this like little piece here that you can kind of glue stuff to and then insert it. So that's what I did with that. And I stamped La Vie est Belle, The Life is Beautiful, and some of my more papers there. So fun little shapes. Here's some more of that word paper. I did stamp that Paris stamp over here, as well as this. And this flips up from the washi. Some more of that dark paper to journal on, and I just did some light, I don't know if that's going to come out, some light stamping there with some old script. And then it has this fun, this is a newer Planner Essentials. This is a Nellie's Choice die here with some of my one-stroke florals on there. That's my art. And then I made it into like a little pocket. So you can pull that out like that. In there. All right, and then on the back, some more of my florals. This paper is available in the shop right now. Here, so you can go check that out. Little tab, and that's the cover. So fun little folio. You can add papers to this just by opening these up. You could also take these off and pop this into an existing A5 planner. So I wanted to show that to you. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.